Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the simple process of cancelling e-Invoice using Tally Prime in just a few clicks. There may be situations in which the IRN is generated for a particular voucher, but you identify a need to cancel it. The voucher has a mistyped amount corresponding to an item, or the party may have cancelled the order. In such cases, you will need to cancel the invoice within 24 hours of IRN generation as per the regulation by NIC. Tally Prime enables you to cancel these e-invoices online or offline. Let us see the online process of e-invoice cancellation. Open e-invoice report, press Alt-G and type or select e-invoice. Press Enter. Once the report is opened, drill down the IRN generated from e-invoice system section. Select the voucher for which e-invoice needs to be cancelled. Click Cancel IRN. Now, click Update Cancellation. The e-invoice cancellation details screen will appear. Select the reason for cancellation and enter remarks. Accept the screen and the voucher will move to the For IRN cancellation section under Pending. However, you can choose the Mark as Cancelled button if the e-invoice has already been cancelled using some other software or on the NIC portal. The voucher will then move to the Marked as IRN Cancelled section under IRN Cancelled. Now, let us send the e-invoice for cancellation. Click Exchange and then Send for e-invoicing. Click Send and then accept the screen. In this case, all the vouchers will be sent for cancellation. However, you can also select one or more transactions and then send them for cancellation. Enter your e-invoice login credentials and press Enter. Now, Tally Prime exchanges data with e-invoice system. Once the cancellation process is completed, there will be an exchange summary displayed in Tally Prime where you can see the e-invoices that are cancelled. As you can see in the e-invoice report, the voucher has moved to the IRN cancelled from e-invoice system section. Even after cancellation, the information like QR code and IRN details will be retained in the voucher for your reference in Tally Prime. You can also see the remarks you had entered while cancellation using more details. Now, let us look at the process of offline cancellation of e-invoices. You can cancel the voucher offline by uploading JSON file on the NIC portal. Click Exchange and then Send for e-invoicing. If you are unable to find your transaction in the list, press Ctrl B and press Enter on Include Exported Transactions to set it as Yes. Press Ctrl A to save. Select the voucher and click Offline Export. Accept the screen and the JSON file will be created for the voucher to be cancelled. You can go to the NIC portal and log in using your credentials. Click Bulk IRN Cancel, browse the JSON file and upload. the e-invoice will get cancelled. Now, when you open the e-invoice report in Tally Prime, you can see that the voucher is in the For IRN Cancellation section under Exported. Now you can click Get IRN Info, accept the screen, enter your NIC login details and press Enter. Now the cancellation will be updated in Tally Prime. As you saw, Tally Prime provides you with a hassle-free experience for online and offline cancellation of e-invoices. To know more, visit help.tallysolutions.com.